What's up, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you are new, guys, thank you so much for coming here to watch my video. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming here every day to watch my video. But guys, just do me a favor, road to 400 subscribers. If it's your first time to come across my video, just subscribe. So guys, you can see I'm coming live from the village house. So today I want to show you my daily kitchen routine here in the village. Okay guys, so I want to prepare sweet potatoes. This is our breakfast. So if you like this video, drop a comment down there. Let me know what's your view in this video. Okay. So guys, these are my sweet potatoes. I want to cook it just traditionally. I'm not going to peel the skin. I will just cut into small pieces because this one is too big. Even this one is big. So I will cut just into small pieces, then I will wash it, then I'll start cooking my potatoes. So let me know what are you preparing for your breakfast. Drop a comment there for your girl. So guys, this sweet potato, you can just eat it raw. Oh, it's so sweet, guys. Time to wash my potatoes, guys. So this is how we are doing it here in the village. Drop a comment there, guys, for your girl. Let me know what video do you want me to do next. If you want to peel the skin, you can. How you want to cook your potatoes, guys? There's different way of cooking potatoes. You can tell me, guys, down in the comments. So let me know. Now I'm done washing my potatoes. Now it's time to cook. So I need to arrange in this area first, like this. Then I'm going to add salt to taste, guys, just little. Then I add little water. This banana leaf, I'm going to use it to cover this sufuria. So this banana leaf, guys, I've used it to cover my sufuria. Here in the village, we are using banana leaf to cover sufuria when you are cooking potatoes, yams. Yeah, so this is traditional way of cooking sweet potatoes. So now my fire is ready. I'm going to put it here like this. Then the other thing, oh my god, I'm going to use this sufuria. This is our sufuria in the village to cover. Now I'm going to wait for some. Let me check if my potatoes are ready. So guys, oh, it's ready, guys. Finally, guys, my potato is ready. Look, this is how it looks like when it's ready, guys. You can see. You can remove. Can see, guys. So you can eat this one with the peeler skin, or you can throw it. Now I want to make tea, black tea. Now I'm going to wait until my water boils, then I'll put there tea leaves and sugar. Then I'll add tea leaves and sugar. So guys, our black tea is ready now. You can see, guys, you can see it's bubbling. So let's go and enjoy our breakfast now. So here is our potatoes. Right now I want to serve. We are going to eat it later. So guys, now we are enjoying our breakfast here in the village. Well, guys, you can try it in your village. You can try to cook the potatoes. You can peel the skin or you can leave it. Okay, guys, if it's your first time to come across my video, just subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share my video so that it can reach many people. It's your girl Amal. Bye.